Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News. The Commonwealth has been collecting COVID-related data from each city and town across the state and designating them as low, moderate, or high-risk areas. Attleboro is currently a high-risk area. We spoke with Mayor Paul Heroux to learn more.
So a red city is a designation given by the State Department of Public Health. That means that we have 8 people who are COVID positive per 100,000 over a 2-week period of time. And so we had been seeing an increased number of cases on a regular basis, and eventually it exceeded that threshold of 8 per 100,000 during a 2-week period. The state basically has identified that we are a red city and that we have to be very mindful of what's going on here, increased vigilance of the citizens. It's very important that people continue to do the several things that we've been asking all along. We hope that people will continue to wear masks because masks catch the respiratory droplets that people are emitting when they're speaking, and they catch them about 90% effective, and so they only have about a 10% seepage. People should continue to wash their hands on a regular basis. They should not touch their face. They should be mindful of cross-contamination and avoid that whenever possible. They should avoid large crowds and also continue to socially distance. Those are the 6 things that the CDC and Dr. Fauci and the Department of Public Health have all been recommending that people do on a regular basis to help stop the spread of this virus. The recommendations are just that, they're recommendations. I haven't mandated anything here in Attleboro. I don't believe that I have the authority to mandate anything on the citizens. I think that would probably have to come from either the governor's office or the health department. But as far as even with city employees, I haven't mandated anything with city employees. I'm trusting their cooperation and their care for one another, because wearing a mask is not about protecting yourself. It's about protecting other people from you being an asymptomatic carrier. That's the importance of wearing a mask. A lot of some of the pushback you might see anywhere in the country, whether it's here in Attleboro or anywhere else, is some people say that it's their freedom to not wear a mask. And that is right. It is their freedom to not wear a mask. However, it's also basically them saying that they don't really care about the health of the people around them. Because a mask, as I said earlier, a mask catches about 90% of the respiratory droplets, and this virus is spread through respiratory droplets. That's why the wearing of a mask is so important.